Hey gang, and welcome to Weaver Music.
Alright gang, what we have here is a 70s Marlin hollow body electric acoustic guitar. This thing is beautiful, made in Japan, and I don't have a lot of information on them. It is a very pretty instrument. Anyways, alright, let's get started.
Hi everybody, I am Bradley's daughter and I am 7 years old. It's nice to meet you.
Next one. Last one. Good job. We did it.
Bye everybody. All done.
Here we go. Completely done. The new trim.
If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up, and always please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next video.